Ibex goats are amazing climbers. They can even climb nearly vertical dams. Ibex goats have sharp hooves with 2 toes that can move independently. The hooves also have a soft inner part that acts like a suction cup, helping the goats to grip narrow surfaces. Ibex goats are basically born with their own climbing gear. Ibex goats climb dams to find salt. They are herbivores, so they don't get enough salt from their diet. Salt is important for their bones, muscles, and nervous system. Ibex goats also climb mountains to find salt, even if it means risking their lives.